And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually track for the digital or scan for the digital or the terrestrial or the antenna channels on your Redline decoder. So when I talk of the digital channels, they are the channels that you're going to use your antenna pool to actually get a signal. So this whereby you have already get a stable signal from your antenna and you're about to scan or install or do the setup on your Redline decoder to actually get the channels. If you don't have the signal too, you can perform this by actually setting the antenna at a particular position. If you don't get it, you change the direction and then you perform the scan as well. So all you got to do is to pick up your remote and you press on the menu button on your Redline decoder remote. And from the menu here, use the arrow keys just to navigate through the settings, and then you put it on installation. You press OK on it. And installation here, you come down, we have the antenna settings, that's for satellite signal settings or satellite channels settings. So you need to ignore that one. You come to the DVB-T, that's for terrestrial settings or for the antenna or digital settings. So you select the DVB-T over here and you press OK on it. So from this menu, we have some country folders that they have saved some TPs in it. If you are to track for a particular group of channels, for that one you have to set it on a particular frequency. But since you are trying to scan to get through the weather wherever your antenna is getting a signal, and then there is available FTA channels, it's gonna bring it out. So we have some countries to list over here. You press on the info button on your remote. You have some command down below. As you can see, you have red to add, green to edit, yellow to delete, blue to scan, and then info button for the country list or those folders to pop up. So you press on the info button here, and here we have Germany, UK, Italy, France, Spain, Taiwan, Norway, other countries, Australia, New Zealand, Russia, Denmark, Portugal. And you can select Ghana, Nigeria as well. But here you can choose to select the Germany, UK, or Italy. Most of the frequencies that they have installed in this TP will actually get you some signal from your location, provided you are having the signal from the antenna. So you have to select any country at all. But the most important thing, if you are in Nigeria or Ghana, since there is a folder on it, you can select the Nigeria or the Ghana folder if you are in those locations. So you select the country, and then here, since you are not tracking or scanning, doing a manual scan on a particular frequency, you need to perform an auto search or blind search from those installed TPs over here, which will actually get you signal from your location. So all you got to do is to press on the blue button on your remote for the scan menu to pop up, and here you need to change the scan type to auto, and then you leave it. So the channel type 2, or you can select the FTA only to actually eliminate all those channels that will come along with a dollar sign. Most of them will not be working, so you can select FTA only, or you leave it on all, and then you press OK to start search. So here you will get enough channels depending on the quality of your antenna signal. So in case you perform and you are having fewer channels, you can choose to select a different satellite folder and a different antenna folder, and this antenna folder will be selecting a different country, whereby there will be maybe a different TP installed in it. But the most important thing is you having a stable signal from the antenna pool. So after performing and you don't get enough of the channels available, all you got to do is to reposition your antenna or you turn it around a bit, and then you perform the same auto search to check if you're gonna get enough of the channels available. But if you are in Ghana, Nigeria, you have to at least select the Nigeria or the Ghana satellite, the antenna folder, and you are good to go. So you wait for it to complete scanning and you get access to the channels that will come along after. scanning. So that's it. If this video has been helpful and you are new here, all you got to do is subscribe, hit the bell icon, and you keep coming back for more. Thanks for watching.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town.